Wait, dentists can do that? Hi, I'm Dr. Chinnery, and welcome to Gentle Dental. I hear this all the time. I think it's a topic that not a lot of people talk about because no one actually knows, but general dentists can actually do a lot. That is, I guess, the term why we have it general, because we are trained in dental school to do so much. And I get a lot of patients that, they'll say, my dentist didn't extract teeth, or my dentist didn't do this or that. And it's true. So in dental school, we are taught a certain level of things. And then when we get out into the real world, we get to choose what we want to practice, which is great because if we're not comfortable doing a procedure, or if we don't like certain things, we don't have to do it. And I don't think a lot of people think they know that. So today I wanted to talk about what can a dentist do, because I think it's going to be way more than you think. So yes, we can do the more basic things that you probably think of, like dental cleanings, fillings, and checkups. But dentistry isn't just about brushing and flossing. We're trained to diagnose and treat disease, pain, infection, and trauma, all inside the mouth and sometimes a little bit beyond. You can treat cavities, place crowns, extractions, implants, root canals, and detect oral cancer. Sometimes if you have jaw pain or chronic headaches or things like that, that can be related to your bite. We assess your jaw alignment and muscle strains. Sometimes we recommend custom night guards. There are times that dentists can get extra training outside of school, and so we don't typically learn how to do things like placing Botox or dermal filler, but that is something that some dentists do like to offer their patients, and so that is an additional training that some can do. I've even worked in an office where they would have a nurse that was trained that would come in after hours or at the end of the day to do it as well. Reasons why some people offer Botox is not just for the aesthetic aspect. Some people can use this for things like TMJ pain, which is the joint clenching, as well as migraines. Other things that we can get trained in outside of school is aligning teeth using technology like Invisalign. That is one of my favorite things to do. I don't currently do it at the practice that I'm at, but I absolutely love Invisalign and being able to help with the malocclusion, which is the fancy word of just saying teeth not in alignment, getting your teeth out of the trauma and getting them so that your smile is beautiful as well as your function. We also can do things with replacing teeth if you have a tooth missing, whether that is something like implants or bridges, dentures, partials. It's not just about your appearance. It's about keeping your bite healthy, your speech clear, and your confidence high. From managing gum disease, to helping with sleep apnea, or helping you work with a specialist to identify airway problems, general dentists are like your mouth's quarterback. We're here to catch issues early, treat what we can, and make sure that you get the care that you need. So next time you wonder what your dentist actually does, the answer is we can do a lot. It just depends on the type of training that we've had and what we're comfortable with. Hit subscribe if you've ever left the dentist thinking, whoa, I didn't know they could do that. This is Gentle Dental, and we are spilling the beans of what happens at the dentist.